Are you still spending hours going through resumes, following up with candidates, and managing other recruiting tasks manually? Hiring does not have to be this time-consuming. Now, imagine having a personal recruiting assistant who follows your instructions and executes hiring tasks at lightning-fast speed without getting tired or committing human errors. That is exactly what an AI recruiter does. Also known as an AI recruiter agent, an AI recruiter is an AI-powered, partially autonomous online tool that takes care of the repetitive manual tasks in your hiring process on your behalf. From sourcing and screening to outreach, follow-ups and interviews, it does the heavy lifting in the background while you stay in control. It helps you hire faster, gives candidates a better experience, and helps your team focus on hiring strategy and better decision-making. An AI recruiter is not here to replace you. It is about giving you hiring superpowers. If you have not tried it yet, now is the time. Every recruiter should experience what an AI recruiter agent can do. Check out the description for a link to a free trial of an AI recruiter.